Hello store owners! Today, I'll show you how to stop wholesale orders from reducing your inventory stock. This is really handy if you fulfill your wholesale orders from separate stock or ship them straight from your supplier. Here's my shop with my wholesale pricing showing, and behind the scenes, I'm tracking stock levels on these products. Here's my canvas tote bag over in my products list, and you can see I've got 500 units in stock. Normally, every wholesale order that comes through would eat straight into that number. So let's head into the wholesale settings and open up the general tab. Down in the wholesale products section, there's a checkbox called Prevent Stock Reduction. I'll tick that on and then hit Save Changes. From now on, whenever a wholesale customer places an order, WooCommerce skips the stock decrement completely. That 500 stays exactly where it is, and your inventory only reflects your retail sales and your own manual adjustments. If you have questions, please comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.